No crossing will survive. UMPK bombs are hunting bridges again. Their accuracy ruthless, their impact unstoppable. The footage doesn't show the aftermath, but we already know what happens when a UMPK connects. Nothing remains. These flimsy spans can't withstand even a single direct hit. One strike, and the crossing collapses into ruin. Once again, Russian gunners prove that precision and power go hand in hand. Artillery crews from the Vostok group of forces zeroed in on Ukrainian UAV command posts hidden in the Dnipropetrovsk region, and within moments, the positions erupted in smoke and fire. Guided by reconnaissance data, each round found its mark, crippling the enemy's ability to coordinate drone operations across the sector. From behind an ambush, a strike drone of the 5th Army launched its attack, its target, a logistically vital bridge used by the Ukrainian armed forces in the Pavlovka area of the Zaporizhzhia region. It happened again, this time in Sredny Burluk, where a massive explosion lit up the sky. Russian Garan 2 drone teams again struck the temporary deployment area of Ukraine's 158th Separate Mechanized Brigade in the Kupiansk direction, delivering a powerful blow that tore through the enemy's positions with unmatched precision. In the Kherson region, a Lancet UAV was seen flying toward its target and destroying it in an instant. The target was identified as a Ukrainian 2S-22 Bohdana self-propelled gun. One, two, three. A massive detonation. In Volchansk, Kharkiv region, a Tornado-S multiple launch rocket system unleashed a precision strike on a Ukrainian UAV control position. Within moments, the site was engulfed in a chain of explosions, the blast wave tearing through equipment, antennas, and shelters. What followed was silence, the kind that comes only after total destruction. Fierce fighting has erupted once again during the battle for Poltavka in the Zaporizhzhia region. Russia's Vostok battle group has liberated a fortified area of more than 12 square kilometers and cleared over 500 buildings. A report has come in from the direction of Konstantinovka. A Ukrainian Mesta-B howitzer was clearly recorded being destroyed by a Russian Lancet. Unable to escape, a Russian drone successfully destroyed a Ukrainian armored vehicle in the Kharkiv region. Relentless and unstoppable, the troops of the center group continue their offensive, striking enemy infantry and armored vehicles day and night. From above, operators of strike drones unleash waves of precision attacks, hitting their targets with deadly accuracy and unbroken momentum. Footage from October 19th captures fragments of the battlefield. Ukrainian armed forces fighters eliminated, NATO-supplied equipment reduced to twisted wreckage, and enemy positions engulfed in explosions. Heavy drone bombers sweep through the sky, silencing communication systems and leaving behind only smoke and devastation as the center group drives its assault forward. From a satellite camera high above, the scene unfolds in haunting clarity. A massive cloud of smoke and debris rises from the ground, the result of a devastating Fab 3000 strike on Ukrainian positions in Konstantinovka. Another Bohdana self-propelled gun was destroyed, this time in the Kharkiv region. Footage from an FPV drone shows the Russian drone closing in on the target and striking it directly. Follow-up footage captures the aftermath, with the self-propelled gun engulfed in flames. Spying through the sky. High above Lyman, the Russian Air Force tracked and locked onto a Ukrainian command post. Moments later, Fab bombs plunged from the clouds, striking with brutal precision. The blast tore through the target, a single strike turning the enemy's command hub into smoke and rubble. Rubicon unit took action even further. In the Sumy region, the Rubicon unit destroyed the position of a Ukrainian mobile shooter group, as well as a machine gun mounted on a Peugeot P4 vehicle. The explosion from the Lancet was extraordinary. Day by day, Ukraine finds itself under an unending storm of fire. In the Konstantinovka direction, a Tornado G multiple launch rocket system crew from the center group of forces, together with artillerymen of the 8th Combined Arms Army, unleashed 2 devastating salvos from more than 15 kilometers away, destroying Ukrainian dugouts, strongholds, and positions packed with manpower. The strike landed with crushing precision, another fiery reminder of Russia's growing dominance on the front. Now, let's take a look at the Russian Rubicon UAV team in action. Rubicon direction, UAV operators engage multiple targets, destroying a ground-based robotic system, a BTR-4 armored personnel carrier, communication equipment, and several Ukrainian drones. Another footage shows a Lancet loitering munition precisely strikes and neutralizes a Ukrainian Caesar self-propelled gun. In the Lyman direction, drone operators from the 25th Army executed a precise strike, destroying a Ukrainian Grad multiple launch rocket system. The Vostok group never stops, and neither does its firepower. This time, a TOS-1A Sontsepyak crew unleashed a blistering strike on a Ukrainian stronghold in the Dnipropetrovsk region. The Thermobaric salvo turned the fortified position into a sea of flames, leaving no chance for the enemy to regroup or resist. In the direction of Konstantinovka, despite efforts to cover and hide it, a Ukrainian Tu-S1 Gvozdika was successfully destroyed. In the city of Kupiansk and its surrounding districts, the battle intensifies. The guards of the 68th Division from the West Group of Forces continue their relentless advance, hunting Ukrainian troops and equipment day and night in support of the assault on the city. During the latest strike, Russian drones achieved devastating precision, destroying several armored vehicles and military trucks belonging to the Ukrainian armed forces. The attack tore through enemy positions, leaving a trail of fire, twisted metal, and chaos in its wake. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching, and don't miss our upcoming videos.